Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is something that I've been real excited about to come in. So today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Neewer, I don't know how you pronounce that, Neewer smartphone camera rig. Alright, now before we get into this package and I give y'all my unboxing and first impressions, I just gotta say the packaging on this was quite good. Now I kind of butchered it because it was inside of a box, inside of a bag, and then inside of this bag again. So I kind of had to butcher it to get into it, but I really like the overall packaging of this smartphone rig overall. And I feel like they did a great job here. Got a little bit of company logo on the front. Real nice. Company branding on the back. Slogan there. Good stuff. Good stuff indeed. Now, backstory while we open this the rest of the way, because I really just cracked all the boxes. Got it to the point where I could do it with minimal struggles. And figured let's push record. So y'all will see some struggles in this video. Now, backstory. This is actually my third attempt on trying to pick up something like this. Alright? I'm going to show y'all what this is in a minute, so let's throw this first wrapping out the way. So we got a clean white box with some barcoding there, and it tells you what it is. So, right there, the Neewer rig, smart hold, handheld video rig, and it's in blue. I don't know how well y'all can pick that up. And yeah, just a clean box. Alright, cracking the box. Looks like we got the rig itself here. Nothing else in the box, and throw the box off to the side. Alright, so here is the smartphone rig. Okay? Now, as I said, this is my third attempt at trying to pick this up. I actually purchased this style of rig from another company, and I got the wrong product. And I'm thinking, okay, regular mistake, let me order it again. Maybe, you know, somebody made a mistake, got the wrong product twice. So I'm like, okay, don't really like that one. I mean, it's decent, but it's not what I wanted. So I sent one back, and I figured I'd hold on to the other one, do some videos on it, because I was looking at this style of rig anyway, so let me just show y'all real quick. I meant to pick up this, but I got this twice instead. So I sent the other one back, got my refund, and that's how I was able to pick up this. And I think we might want to hold on to this and do some videos on it. But with my smartphone in this guy, everything set up the way I would like, it's really kind of heavy for me. That's why I ended up sending that first one back. And I figured I'd hold on to this because I didn't need two. Alright, so y'all be careful what y'all click on when you're trying to pick up something like this rig here. And I'll have the company name down below in the description because their name is eluding me right now. Eula or something like that. Is it Eula I? But yeah, the picture on Amazon looked like this. I thought I was getting this. I got this. So y'all need to be careful what y'all click on. I read the reviews. All the reviews were good. Didn't see any pictures, but I figured, okay, let me just get it. Got the wrong thing. And I figured, okay, common mistake. Let me try it again. Maybe somebody made a mistake, got the wrong thing twice. Alright? So I made a note with Amazon, told them, in my packaging feedback, I told them this actually got a 2-star because although it came nicely packaged and everything was nicely protected, it was the wrong product. So that's almost an epic fail. So this guy actually got a 2-star rating on my packaging feedback. Alright? So you guys be careful what you click on, and always do your homework, ask questions. I read a bunch of reviews. I really dug in deep and thought I was getting this. I ended up getting this. But yeah, gonna hold on to that one. Might do some videos on that one. But this is the star of the show for today. So this is the Neewer R smartphone rig. Alright? And the whole reason why I wanted to pick up something like this is because it has all of your mounting threads. So you can see we got one at the bottom. And we also got one on the side. And we also have a slot for LED lights. Okay? And that's really going to come in handy because I got an LED light. Now, I've been holding on to it for a while because I got the wrong rig. So I'll probably release the unboxing and first impressions of this with this. So y'all will see two videos go up at the same time. So now I feel like I got everything good to go, and my setup in terms of video production should be straight. We should be good. Got the proper mount, okay? I got several different types of tripods, including a big tripod. So, and it all works with this rig here. So we're good to go. Got the LED light for lighting. Got the microphone if I need it. And I got my smartphones. Got a bunch of different mounts. So I think I'm good to go now in terms of video production equipment. Alright, so this was the last piece of the puzzle. Got my Fantaseal grip. I got my RetiCAM camera mount and my Fantaseal camera mount. I got my Lamcool camera mount. I have my Octa mounts, dual mount, that I can put with any one of my tripods. And that also came with mounts as well. So I think I'm good to go. And then I got my CQ microphone. So in terms of video production, I should be good to go. This was the last piece of the proverbial puzzle. As I said, I'm going to stop saying that because I feel like I said that more than I should. So, that being said, I'm sorry guys. I'm really amped behind the camera right now. I can't wait to start using this. That being said, that has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Neewer R smartphone video rig. Now, I'm going to shoot a ton of video with this rig, and you guys are going to see it with a bunch of different configurations, all of my tripods, all of my smartphones. So we're going to dive deep into this rig, and you guys are really going to know by the time the full review comes out how I feel about it. Okay? Again, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of this rig. If you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. As always, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up everything that was featured in this video, all links to all of my production equipment as well as the rig in this video will be linked down below in the video description. So maybe you're an up-and-coming content creator like myself, or maybe you're a seasoned photographer, maybe you're trying to get into the mobile video production game or the mobile photography game, and you want some equipment that's going to have your photos and videos looking right. All of my production equipment that I use to produce all of my videos, smartphones and everything included, will be linked down below in the video description. Well, maybe not all of it. Everything I could fit in the video description will be down in the video description because due to YouTube's new implementation and policies, there's now a character limit on the video description. So I think I only have a limit of 5,000 characters. So I'm going to fit as much as I can. Okay? But for reference, in case you wanted to know, I use a Moto X Pure Edition to record videos with. I use a LG Stylo 3 to record videos with. I just picked up the Redmi 5 Plus You guys are going to see a bunch of videos on that. And as I said, I have my RetiCAM smartphone camera mounts. I have my Manfrotto mini tripod. I have my Fantaseal grip and mount for my smartphones. I have my Octomount dual mount for my smartphones as well. And I got my Lamcool mount for my smartphones. And I have my CQ plug-in microphone. So that, I just ran through all of my production equipment for you guys. And these were the new pickups. The LED light, the company is eluding me at the moment. And the Neewer R smartphone rig. These were the new pickups. And then this was my older mini tripod, the Mini D. Alright, so just in case y'all don't see all my production gear down below in the comments, ran through it real quickly. Again, if you want to know what a particular thing is, just put it into the YouTube search box and put my name in front of it or after it, and you'll see that particular video on my channel for everything that I just mentioned, just in case I can't fit everything down below in the video description. Anyway, I promise y'all I'm done now. That was my unboxing and first impressions. The full review for this video rig, let's not put a release date on this. I really want to dive deep and see how I feel about it. So I'll release the full review when I feel like I'm ready to release the full review. Alright, that being said, again, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Okay? And just so you know, I'm using the Redmi 5 Plus to record this video in 720p resolution at 30 frames a second with no external mics hooked up. So please let me know how the video looks, and please let me know how the audio sounds. And in particular, I'm using my Fantaseal mount and grip to stabilize this whole video and produce this whole video for you guys. So please let me know what you think of the stabilization and at the video as a whole down below in the comments. And I'll be really looking forward to your feedback, because you guys' feedback is the only way my production values get better. That and how I feel about it for myself. And I'm really a chronic overthinker. So if you leave it up to me, I'm going to be sitting there pondering for a good while. This is why I really appreciate your guys' feedback, which you can leave down below in the comments. Alright, I'm out of here. Peace, everybody. I'll catch you in the next one.